Hi, my name is Laure Norger. I'm the acting head of the Association Management Division at K.I.T Group. There are two main areas through which hybrid events can contribute towards sustainability. The first area is inclusion and accessibility. Hybrid events can remove barriers for a broad range of people for whom it would otherwise be challenging to attend if the event were taking place in person only. So, for example, people with disabilities or those with childcare or other carer responsibilities, or persons with limited financial means, those living in low-resource countries, for example. And it's also important to remember that a large segment of the worldwide population does not yet have access to vaccinations against COVID-19. So with a hybrid format, all of these audiences have the option to attend an event, either in person or virtually. They can choose the format that is most convenient to them. The second area is climate action. Travel is the largest contributor to an event's carbon footprint, so hybrid can help significantly reduce this since less participants will travel. A hybrid format also means acknowledging the worldwide concern about climate change and the need for alternatives. It's giving all conference participants the option to stick to their values and decide which events they would prefer to attend in person and which they would like to attend virtually.